Lesson 7, Question 13. Classify the following reaction. MgOH2 plus 2HNO3 produces MgNO3 plus 2H2O. To do this question, you need to have available the Table 1 solubility of ionic compounds at SATP given on page 137 in your textbook, and you need a periodic table. Break it down into the components. So Mg has a valence of +2, which means OH2, there's 2 molecules with a valence of -1. If you look on the solubility table, you will see that OH is highly soluble. Take a look at the second compound. H is +1, so there's 2 of them. NO3 is -1, again there's 2 of them. And if you look on the solubility table, NO3 -1 is highly soluble. This means that the Mg is going to join NO3, and that will leave the H2O. So this is called a double displacement. Number 14. A synthesis reaction is a chemical reaction in which 2 or more substances combine to form a more complex substance. So if we take H2O plus SO3, it's going to become H2. The O will join with O3 to produce O4, which means this is a synthesis reaction. Number 15. Again, taking a quick look at the reaction, it looks like a double displacement, but are we sure? Let's break it down. So we have Fe and Cl3. Well, the valence of Fe I think that's H. The valence of Fe is +3 or +2. We're not sure which. And then we have Cl3. Well, Cl3 from our table is soluble. And a chlorine is a -1, so we have 3 -1. This should have been Fe here, sorry. So Fe is +3. Okay, there we go. So NaOH, well again, we see that OH is soluble. So Na is +1 and OH is -1. So again, the Fe will join with the OH, the Na will join with the Cl, and this becomes a double displacement. Okay, number 16. Cl2 plus ZnI2. Well, ZnI2, we see that the I2 here is soluble. Zn is 2 plus, I2 is 2 times 1 minus. So the plus Z will join with the chlorine minus, and the I2 then will be left. So this is a single displacement. Okay, now in this question, number 17, by looking at this, we see that the NaClO3 is broken down into two components. So this is decomposition. Okay? And which metal would not displace Pb in a lead nitrate solution? Well, if we look up at our periodic table, our solubility table, here we have our Cu, which is copper, and it's low soluble. Okay, so because it's low soluble, it would not displace Pb, where the other ones all would. Okay, I'm going to let you take over from here. Let me know if you need more help.